Fresh off a new all-time high after the non-farm payroll data release, the precious metal continues to shine. While the strong jobs report initially pressured gold, investors quickly shifted gears, focusing on persistent inflation and geopolitical uncertainty. Now, with a crucial week of economic data ahead, will gold maintain its bullish momentum, or will the upcoming events trigger a reversal? The upcoming week promises a barrage of economic data releases in the US, each with the potential to rock the markets. Here's a sneak peek at the key events that could impact both gold and the US dollar. Inflation data in focus core CPI or Consumer Price Index and PPI or Producer Price Index data releases April 8th and 11th will be closely watched. Higher than expected inflation could strengthen the USD as the Fed seeks to combat rising prices. This could put downward pressure on gold. Conversely, lower inflation readings could signal a cooling economy, potentially weakening the USD and benefiting gold. FOMC meeting minutes under scrutiny. On April 10th, the minutes from the latest Federal Open Market Committee meeting will be released. Investors will dissect these minutes for hints about the Fed's future rate hike trajectory. Hawkish tones suggesting more aggressive rate hikes could strengthen the USD and pressure gold prices. Consumer Sentiment Gauge, the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index, April 12th, can provide valuable insights into consumer confidence. A decline in consumer confidence could be seen as bearish for the economy, potentially strengthening gold's safe haven appeal. Stay tuned throughout the week. We'll keep a close eye on these key events and analyze their impact on gold and the USD.